हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज का टाइटल और थंबनेल से आप लोगों को कुछ तो पता चल चुका होगा कि ये वीडियो थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट होने वाला है। तो मैं ना मेरे मेल फ्रेंड्स से ऑकवर्ड क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगी जो गर्ल्स आर स्कैर्ड टू आस्क। ओके, सो इट विल बी आस्किंग ऑकवर्ड क्वेश्चंस टू गाइज गर्ल्स आर स्कैर्ड टू आस्क एंड आई थिंक वी वांट टू नो ऑल्सो। तो it's going to be really fun, really entertaining. Please watch this video till the end. एंड बिफोर आई स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो एक बात बोलनी थी कि मेरा वीडियो ना सब मेरा फैमिली मेम्बर्स देखते हैं, बहुत ही प्यार से देखते हैं। तो द लिमिट ऑफ माई क्वेश्चंस विल बी समवेयर अराउंड देयर, सो प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दैट। हाउएवर प्लीज बी डिसअपॉइंटेड क्योंकि सम जूसी क्वेश्चंस आर ऑफ कोर्स गोना बी देयर, सो यू विल बी एंटरटेन थॉरली। और एक बात और बतानी है कि questions are set like that and they do not have time to think and answer, so unfiltered answers होगा and personal opinion होगा। तो कुछ offensive लगा, कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगा answers, कुछ आप लोगों के opinion से थोड़ा सा clash करता है, तो please understand and if you get hurt or if you do not like those answers, I'm really sorry from the bottom of my heart. And this video is solely for entertainment purpose, so please enjoy. So guys, we have Kiran here, my friend.
Hi, hello.
That was loud.
I don't know how loud I need to be.
This is fine, perfect. Hi Yash.
Hi.
So guys, ये मेरा friend यश, ये है मेरा दोस्त भूमि।
Hello.
थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा बोलना, loudly.
Hello.
Says Shiva, my friend from office. Say hi.
Hello.
Okay guys, I have Vivek Bhai here from Kalimpong.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna ask a few questions, okay? So you need to answer really quick.
Yeah.
Think it as a rapid fire round.
Okay.
And you can justify your answer with one sentence if there is a need.
Okay.
If you feel there's a need.
Let's
Okay, so first question is very simple. Do you like girls with long hair or short hair?
long out the way.
Yeah.
Yeah. Long.
Really? Okay.
Short also, but it depends.
Okay.
So long, I mean, it's always safer to go for long.
Okay.
Long hair.
Okay.
Long hairs.
Long hair.
Like girls with short hair.
Short hair, okay.
Medium.
Medium length. Do you like skinny girls or chubby girls?
Chubby.
Okay.
Skinny.
Skinny, okay.
Chubby girls.
Oh.
Or medium one. Skinny
Oh.
girls I hate.
एक सेकंड का भी थॉट नहीं हुआ गया उधर ना।
I like chubby.
Chubby girls, okay.
Healthy girl.
Okay. What is your biggest turn on in a girl? Turn on.
Okay, yeah. A turn on is a lady being able to express herself, who has a personality, yeah. Like an interesting personality, yeah.
Okay. And turn off?
Turn off is when, I don't know, if she's so tomboyish, even a lot more than I am. In that case, it's
Okay. Male aura kinda. Who has
yeah, I mean,
more of that part?
I guess, yeah. I'm not sure, yeah.
Turn on. I think, yeah, the figure of a woman.
Okay. And turn off? Hai
Turn off.
wala.
I think if she is very, if she is not hygienic,
Okay.
not keeping herself clean, that would be my turn.
Understandable.
I will prefer mostly good figure. Good
Okay.
figure, chubby also okay, but not skinny.
Okay. And turn off? किस चीज से ऐसा लगता है ऐ करके?
Smell,
Uh-huh.
fragrance, you can say.
Intellect. High intellect.
Like smart kinda.
Smart intellect. Street smart.
IQ ज़्यादा हुआ
IQ
जैसा?
ज़्यादा
Okay. Okay. And turn off?
Turn off is with fake accents.
Yeah, no, you
Girls
keep
with
saying.
fake accents.
हाँ.
So,
But मेरे को क्या लगता है कि डिपेंडिंग ऑन द सिचुएशन एंड पीपल यू आर टॉकिंग टू एंड ऑल्सो द प्लेस वी माइट हैव टू चेंज समटाइम्स, नो?
yeah.
या सो इट्स ओके.
Simplicity.
Simple. Okay, simple wala girl.
Yeah, simple.
Okay. And turn off?
like those who are too much like
Show off.
show off, and they are not wearing a proper dress also. They have lots of attitude.
Okay.
This type of
Attitude wala, show off
attitude
karne
wala.
wala. Okay, that's the biggest turn off. And what is the best outfit on a girl?
Salwar, kameez and all that.
Oh, that churidar and then with
Yeah,
chunni,
like-
dupatta and all.
Yeah,
Huh?
like the Bollywood movies. type
Okay.
stuff, Yeah.
I guess if it's Indian, salwar.
Okay. No, like not Indian specifically, but what do you like? Indian wear, Western wear? What kind of like outfit?
Western wear. Western
Western
wear.
wear,
One
okay.
piece
One piece.
or like a crop top or something.
Mm,
That is.
nice.
Best outfit. Sari.
Sari. Mast na.
I think a tank top, skirt, or could be a long skirt. Yes.
Long skirt. Okay.
Like basically simple, whatever she can wear, but it should be a comfortable for her.
Okay. But what do you like? क्या लगाया हुआ
I
है?
like I'm a man, so when I see a girl, it should be like look nice.
Okay.
Not that-
Anything but that should look nice
Yeah,
on that
correct.
girl. Okay. Have you ever bought sanitary pad?
Yes.
For
I
whom?
have. For my girl and for my
Why are you
sister,
blushing?
mom, like
Okay. Cool.
What?
Bought
Yes.
for
I have.
anybody.
I have.
For whom?
First time I bought it for my mother.
Hmm.
But she
Nice.
didn't tell me what it was.
Okay. Oh,
she just write it on a paper
okay.
and said, give it to the medical shop and just bring whatever it gives. I didn't know what it was.
Okay.
Now later I knew.
Mm.
First time I bought it for my mother.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah.
For whom? You don't want to disclose.
Yeah.
But
It's
you
a
have.
past thing. So I will not discuss and I will not close that name.
Okay.
Of course, all the time.
May I know for whom?
For
Maybe
my
for the first
fiancé.
time. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. May I ask for whom?
Girlfriend.
No, girlfriend. Okay. No, I didn't mean tell me the
Girlfriend,
name.
sister.
Girlfriend or sister or
Girlfriend,
parent.
sister.
Okay. Would you date a girl taller than you?
yes.
Yeah.
I mean, not much. Like, she can't be 7 feet and all. Like, I'm
Okay.
5'7", so like 6 is fine. I
Okay.
guess.
Oh yeah.
Yes, I would.
Really?
No.
I kind of.
Gray area. It's a gray area. If she's the same as my height, I would. Taller than me, it's
No, no.
a bit, yeah.
Yeah.
You would, huh?
Dream.
Oh, really?
Someday maybe.
Okay.
Of course, no problem.
No problem.
Height is not an issue.
Yeah. I kind of feel that for boys, taller girls are nana wala. No.
No, I don't see that. I think height is not an
Okay. So tall girls, you have a chance.
No.
Okay. Big no. Are you attracted to older girls than
Yes.
you? No.
Yes.
Okay. You don't want me to explain that. You
You
don't
wanna
want.
explain that?
No, you don't want me to add anything to that.
Older
or-
girls, yeah. I mean, older girls because I don't know, just older is better. I feel. I don't want to expand on that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Understood.
No.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
Okay.
I think every guy must be attracted to older.
Mm.
Not that auntie type, but 3
Older.
to 4 years.
The girls, yeah, but not too old.
Mm.
I think somewhere around my age group.
No, I mean older than you is what I'm asking.
Yeah, like around my
Thoda sa.
age group, which is kind of older,
Mm.
but not too.
3-4 years is fine.
Yeah, up to 5, 6.
Oh,
so
five,
it's
six,
okay.
okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay.
But not too much older.
Okay.
Medium. Like from my age, like 2-3 years is okay. 2 years, yeah. 2 years
Okay.
maximum.
Does body hair matter?
Yes, it does.
Okay. In a girl,
Yes.
it does, huh?
Yes.
Yes.
It does, no?
No.
It does not. Okay.
Yeah, little bit.
Okay.
Like medium.
Understand. What do you think about girls making first move?
Yeah, that's good. Like I mentioned, nothing better than a woman being able to express herself. That itself is turns anybody on, I guess.
True.
Shouldn't have said that.
I think it's a very good idea. If she makes
Bold,
her
no?
first move, a guy could, could eventually be okay with that. But yeah, I mean, it will be good if a girl makes her first move.
Okay, it's positive for you.
Yeah, it is possible.
जो आके तेरे को बोले कि हाँ I like
हाँ,
you,
that's a good
I like
thing.
your dressing sense वाला. You like it, huh?
Yeah.
I find that attractive.
कैसा लगता है? अच्छा लगता है कि थोड़ा सा बोल्ड वाला लगता है
good.
कि good.
Good, yes.
How would you feel if your girl earns more than you?
Hell yeah, man. Like, house husband. I mean, who wouldn't like some.
Maybe
convenience
everybody
in terms
wants.
of-
Yeah, everybody wants that sugar mommy kind of thing.
not me, just a little bit of sugar. That's all.
Okay, it's always good.
Yeah.
I would be happy.
Oh
I
yeah.
would be happy. My sugar mommy, as they call it.
You won't feel insecure, nothing like
So I
that.
want my girl to, so I can stay at home and
She can earn and give.
Better.
Huh? Insecure
I'm
नहीं
not
होगा.
like that. Insecurity, nothing.
I find it wonderful.
Yeah. Everybody finds it.
It's good, no?
It's good for everybody, right? Best and worst thing about being a boy?
Oh, there's more. Okay. The best thing is, I don't know, to be able to. My parents were pretty cool with me as I was a boy, so I could just do a lot of things.
To simplify freedom.
Yeah, it's a bit. It's like it's not as much. It's not as hard as my sister convincing my parents.
But do you think that is good?
It's not good. It's definitely not good. And they're obviously more protective towards their daughter.
Daughters, yeah.
So that way, it's the best thing for a boy because they think, oh, he's kar lega, aa jayega wapas. And the worst thing about a boy, I mean, being a boy, is you can't be whining about everything, right? You just need to like suck it up sometimes, like just
Be strong by
it
default.
is what it is, man. Like can't be whining about everything. So that's
So-
worst thing, but a good thing also. Right? Yeah.
So low की वो होना है क्या बोलते हैं उसको strong होना है by default है no?
Yeah, I mean that's
Emotionless
how
kind of.
you're actually asked to be you're
And
basically
that
wired
also-
that way that ho gaya you're a boy, so you end up being like that. So
Yeah,
that's
but
what
that
it is.
again is not a good thing.
Well, that again needs to be something which should be broken, and yeah,
Hopefully it will.
it definitely it will. Yeah.
best thing is that I think it's a bit of a both, best and worst. Best is that if everybody look up to you in the family, that he's the boy, he'll learn, take care of the house. That is also the worst thing, that everybody look up to you, everybody expects. Most of the boys do well in that, but some may
You have that pressure also
Yeah.
at the same time, that sense of responsibility, right?
Most of the boys have a good sense of responsibility.
No matter what, I need to do it.
Yeah,
Wala
yeah.
feeling also,
Yeah.
no?
They suck it up.
I know.
Best thing is that we have more freedom, independence and all. And
That's
worst thing is that we need to think so many things like about the future. Like in the end, what girls will do? Yeah, if they will not get something in future, they will go and marry somebody. But for us, we need to earn and everything. We need to do by ourselves.
You think yourself as a provider.
Exactly.
Best thing is, I think, comparatively you have freedom from the society, which is not okay. But worst thing is that you don't get to express your emotions like how girls do.
Very
It's
true.
not acceptable.
Yeah, that's true.
Is they will handle everything, whatever they will see, And watch things, they are very like, not they will freely enjoy, sometimes some headache will come, no? So we can't express all the feelings.
Okay,
someone.
okay,
That's
that
the reason, yeah.
you can't show your emotions, your
emotions, we keep our
feelings, yeah.
emotions inside.
I
But
understand.
every day we want to do something, no? It should be a happy moment for
Okay.
her.
What is the first thing you notice in a girl?
Face,
Any girl, random
face,
girl.
followed by smile, eyes.
Okay,
and-
that's all.
and-
One
and
thing
there's
is
just a
fine.
lot of things.
Okay, that I understand.
Yeah.
Her hair and her eyes.
Hair also, does it matter that much?
Yeah.
सही आंसर तो दे नहीं सकते.
Dena, it's okay.
So many things.
Like random girl, okay, you're seeing her for the first time. She's coming towards you, walking towards you.
Face.
Face. Okay.
And firstly, we will see the face.
Okay, face. Love or money?
Money. Just kidding.
Huh? Okay.
Anything,
No, it's up to
anything.
you, but
Love anything.
okay.
Money.
Yeah, okay.
Love.
Love.
No.
Okay, tough question, no?
Love.
And the last question is, do guys think about their female friends in a romantic way?
That's a trick question. So, I'll explain it. So the way it works, okay, so if you are friends, you would actually think, how would it be romantically with her? So, you're constantly looking for a potential guy or a girl, right? And you'll obviously think, oh, would this be a nice fit romantically? No, screw that. Stop thinking romantically. That's how people do it. So yes, of course, I think how would it be like
To
with
date her?
Yeah, how would it be? And I think everybody does that, right?
Okay.
Yes, they do.
They do, no? I have gotten only positive response for this question. Yeah.
They do.
Okay.
I think they wait for the chance so that they can make a move.
But even if you are committed, even if you are in a relationship,
That
just casual romantic way. Okay.
if they
All
are
right.
single or anything.
In a romantic way, have you ever thought of?
No. Because I have so many friends in the field, so I never thought.
Okay, with anybody.
No.
Okay, that's good to know.
I don't think so, but it depends like what stage of the relationship you are.
Uh-huh.
So
What
it,
stage of a
for me, I can
friendship you're
speak for
in?
myself, but it doesn't cross my mind.
Female friends or your female colleagues, whatever it is. Do you
Romantic?
think in a romantic way?
No.
No. Okay, thank you so much for your answers
You're welcome.
and your special appearance in my video.
Yes,
Hope to.
it's a special, 6 minutes? The
Yeah,
longest?
it's 6.5 minutes.
Okay,
Okay,
cool,
then.
cool.
Bye.
See you guys.
Signing
See
off.
you. Bye.
Thank you so much for your special appearance in my video. Thank you. Your answers were really good and crisp. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you so much
Welcome.
for your answers. Thank you so much
Thank you, Sudhina.
for your special appearance. I owe you a lot. Bye.
Check deposit kar lena.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Thank you.